Hello you guys, it's Preet. You're watching Toys and Treats. I'm back with a new video guys. In this video I'm gonna unbox Beyblade Burst Chosi Archer Hercules 13 Eternal and also we'll do some battles with it to see how it performs. It's a red spin stamina type Beyblade and hence has great stamina. But before that, subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. You can also follow me on Instagram for more. Now let's unbox it. Let's take a look at the box first. Takara Tomy B115 Booster Beyblade Burst Chosi. This is the blader who uses this Beyblade in the anime, Agent O. The Eternal Driver has a free spinning plate which is made up of thermal plastic which reduces friction and enhances stamina. These are the parts. This is the layer, Archer Hercules, this is the disc, 13 and this is the driver, Eternal. The gimmick of this layer is that it can extend its metal parts to enhance stamina. Now let's unbox it. These are the stickers. It's a red spin stamina type Beyblade and it's from the Chosi system. These are the instructions. They show you how you put on these stickers. It also shows you the gimmick of this Beyblade. Here it shows you how you put on the level chips and the frames. Now let's sticker it up. Now let's take a look at the parts closely. This is the layer, Archer Hercules. These two metal parts each resemble a bow and arrow. They also extend upon launching hard. These are the teeth. They are not bad. Now let's take a look at the disc, 13. It has 4 sharp spikes. This is the driver, Eternal. The point at the center is sharp and the free spinning plate around it is made up of thermal plastic which enhances stamina and reduces friction. This thermal plastic is also called as polyoxymethylene or POM. Now let's begin the battles. The first opponent is Sieg Excalibur. Round 1. Archer Hercules wins with an amazing burst finish and is the winner of this battle. The next opponent is Spriggan Requiem. Spriggan Requiem is using red spin stamina move. Round 1. Archer Hercules wins with a survivor finish taking 1 point. Score is now 1-0. Spriggan Requiem is now using left spin attack mode. Round 2. Archer Hercules takes the win with a survivor finish again and is the winner of this battle. The next opponent is Train Fafnir. Round 1. Archer Hercules takes a quick point with a ring out finish. The score is 1-0. Round 2. Archer Hercules takes a win with a survivor finish and is the winner of this battle. Next opponent is Nightmare Longinus. Round 1. Nightmare Longinus takes the win with an unexpected burst finish and is the winner of this battle. The next opponent is Hell Salamander. Hell Salamander is in attack mode. Round 1. Archer Hercules takes the first point with a survivor finish. The score is now 1-0. And now Hell Salamander is using the defense mode. Round 2. Archer Hercules wins as a survivor finish again and is the winner of this battle. As you guys just saw in the battles, Archer Hercules has great stamina indeed. Overall, it's a great bay to have. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So this is the unboxing for Beyblade Burst Chozy Archer Hercules. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. And also let me know in the comments which battle did you guys like the most. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.